guys, welcome back to my channel, and today this video is a weekly reset. So basically this is just about self-motivation and just basically how I get myself back in the right mindset for the week. So yeah, so in the start of the video I'm showing you guys what I'm currently working on. Right now I'm currently working on my lash business and helping myself become like a lash tech. So right now I am basically prepping my mannequin head or whatever to start a lash set on it. I usually do this when I'm like in my zone, to get ready to become a lash tech and take clients and stuff like that. But yeah, so I have been setting up my lash room and getting everything together, and basically you're just gonna watch me prep this stuff. But I'm not gonna show you guys a full set because that will be later content when I become way better at doing this. But right now I just been practicing daily and to get everything together for when I actually do start. But I do plan on giving you guys a full journey of this whole business and a full room tour when I'm finished with everything. But right now everything is pretty much coming together, and when the content is ready to come out, I really hope you guys will enjoy that. But yeah, that is basically what I'm doing in the beginning of this video. I just incorporated this in because this was kind of towards the end of Sunday night when I decided to do all of this. So yeah, this is what I usually do when I have some downtime or I'm really bored. I just like to go in there and practice and stuff. You guys can use this as a self-motivation to get up and do something. If you are bored or if you're working towards something, you can get up and you can just do what you want to do. But yeah, this is what I like to do whenever I get bored or I need something to do. So yeah, I really hope you guys enjoy this journey, and it is coming soon. Okay, so another thing I like to do on these type of nights is just a really in-depth skincare routine. The first soap I showed you guys, that is an organic soap I got from this, I think it was like a boutique. It was some organic soap, so I don't have like a link to that, but it smells really, really good. I really like it. It got like, it's like lavender and flowers and stuff like that in it, but I really like that soap. But I think I have done a skincare video on my channel, so I will put that in the little tag box or whatever that's up at the top that you will see come on the screen. But yeah, this is something else I like to do, just go really in depth into my skincare, especially because throughout the week I go through multiple cheer practices and being outside and all of that type of stuff, so I really enjoy that type of downtime. So another product is the aloe vera. So guys, I got like a sunburn on my nose from when I went swimming or whatever, and the aloe vera really helps with like peeling that skin off, or the burnt skin. I don't really know what it was, but it was like a darker layer of skin, and it really just helped clear up my face a lot. So if you guys are dealing with something like that, I highly recommend aloe vera gel. And it also has this other benefits. Do y'all research. If y'all don't have aloe vera gel, really please get some. Like, yeah, it's a necessity now for me. It just helps with multiple other things as well. But yeah, I just wanted to add that in there. So right here, I was basically cleaning my room. I tend to take off my jewelry on my dresser and leave it there. I never put it back in my actual jewelry box. So that's what I was doing tonight. I was just clearing my dresser off because, yeah, it just had way too much jewelry right there. And then I also packed my purse this night and just kind of vacuumed my room and cleaned up. So yeah, this was just a little motivation to clean up as well. You know, even if it's not like a big mess, just little things, it always just make your room look a little bit better. And yeah. So like every night before I go to bed, I usually always pour a cup of water. I literally do this every single night. I don't know, it's just a habit for me. But yeah, I drink a cup of water every night before I go to bed. Yes, it's Monday morning. It was around 6:30 something, and every morning we start workouts at 7. So yeah, that is the start of Mondays for me. Okay guys, so I know it's like currently 6:37, and like I don't usually, sometimes I eat breakfast. It depends on how I feel when I get up. Sometimes I eat breakfast before we go to our workouts, but these workouts are from my cheer team. And I mean, it is like every week in the summer, so I just decided to incorporate it in this video. But yeah, so right now I'm actually in my mama's car because she told me to take it because her car is blocking mine and I drive it through. So she said she's not leaving, so I just took her car. But yeah, I have to be there at 7, and we are running today. So yeah, but basically, it don't take me that long to get there either. But basically, last night I kind of went to bed kind of late, like 1:30. So I'm a little tired, but it's okay because I don't have work today, so I can just go back to sleep if I wanted to. But yeah, this day is productive. I did this is supposed to be like a Sunday reset / prep with me for the new week. Just basically like clearing out your mind and stuff like that, about like cleaning and the different things I do to, you know, get back on track with my life. So yeah, we're about to head to our like local park to run a park, and then, which is 1.5 miles. So yeah.
You don't give me time, you just waste my time. I don't pay no mind, no. You don't give me time, you just waste my time. I don't pay no mind, no. I feel that connection when you touch my body. I know you are something, and I can't ignore it. Nothing told me if I wanna go to the beach, but it would be better if you come things are better. We got around late in the sunny by my side. That's what I need, that's what I need. Things are better. We got around late in the sunny by my side. That's what I need, that's what I need. I love that you look so much better with me. I'm looking forward to more days like this. I love that you look so much better with me. I'm looking forward to more days like this.
Okay, so on this day, I did go get a breakfast pizza because we had like this break, which is we never had it. So we had like this break, so I got a breakfast pizza like in between like one of our workouts. So yeah, that's why I didn't eat that much in this video this morning. Usually I have like a full breakfast, but this one I just had like a cup of strawberry milk and a bagel that y'all will see later. But if y'all didn't know, I love strawberry milk. I kind of do drink this often. I wouldn't say every morning, but at least like once a week I do drink a lot of strawberry milk. It's my favorite. So
Nothing told me if I wanna go to the beach, but it would be better if you come things are better. We got around late in the sunny by my side. That's what I need, that's what I need. Things are better. We got around late in the sunny by my side. That's what I need, that's what I need. I love that you look so much better with me.
So this particular morning, I decided to just write down some of the things I needed. If you guys paid attention to the beginning of the video, it was basically showing like me prepping stuff for my lash. So that's basically what I was writing about, writing stuff about that, manifesting and things like that, giving myself self-motivation, writing down goals and stuff. That's what I was doing right here. But yeah, that basically concludes this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to your girl for more, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.